Need $500 fast? You're not alone. Let's dive into some quick and effective ways to make that happen. Stay tuned, because this video is made just for you. Nearly half of Americans would struggle to cover an unexpected $500 expense. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you write content quickly, while DALL-E can create stunning visuals. These tools can save you time and boost your earnings. In this video, I'm sharing 5 practical, realistic side hustles that can help you earn an extra $500, maybe even more, within a matter of days. If you're new here, join us on this journey by subscribing to the channel. Let's dive in. Hook, did you know that thousands of people are making money using AI tools like ChatGPT, InVideo AI, VidIQ, and Gling? Let's dive into how you can do the same. AI tools are revolutionizing the way we work and earn money. With platforms like ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality content in minutes, whether it's for blogs, social media, or even product descriptions. InVideo AI makes video editing a breeze, allowing you to create professional-looking videos in no time. VidIQ helps you optimize your YouTube content for maximum reach and engagement, while Gling simplifies video editing by automatically cutting out silences and filler words. By leveraging these tools, you can save hours of work and focus on what really matters: growing your income. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, or managing social media accounts, these AI tools can help you earn that extra $500 faster than you ever thought possible. Stay tuned as we explore these tools in more detail and show you exactly how to use them to your advantage. Ready to boost your earnings? Let's get started. Hey there, welcome to How to Make Money Fast Using AI. In this video, we'll explore the growing trend of using AI for financial gain and how you can get started. AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's accessible to everyone and can be a game changer for your financial situation. Whether you're looking to pay off some debt, save for a vacation, or just need some extra cash, AI tools can help you achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of AI and how it can help you make money quickly and efficiently. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about a common challenge many of us face: earning money quickly when we need it the most. Whether it's an unexpected bill, a sudden financial emergency, or just the desire to boost your savings, the struggle is real. Many people find it difficult to make extra cash fast due to limited knowledge or resources. But here's the good news. AI can be your game changer. With the right tools and strategies, you can overcome these challenges easily and effectively. So, let's explore how AI can turn this challenge into an opportunity for financial freedom. Ready to see how? Let's go. Now that we understand the challenge, it's time to dive into the exciting part: how AI can help you make money fast. In this section, we'll explore various AI tools and methods to create income streams, from freelance opportunities to content generation and even investment tools. There's something for everyone. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll find strategies that fit your skills and needs. So let's get started on this journey to financial freedom by leveraging the power of AI. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's go. Ready to try. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the most effective AI strategy that has led to significant earnings for many people. Drumroll, please. It's using AI for content creation. Yes, you heard that right. AI tools like InVideo AI can help you create engaging videos quickly and effortlessly. Imagine turning your ideas into professional quality videos without spending hours editing. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or even for clients, this tool can be a game changer. With the power of AI, you can produce high-quality videos that captivate your audience and drive traffic, leading to increased earnings. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. To summarize, AI tools can help you make money quickly and efficiently. Leverage these tools to create new income streams. Whether it's through content creation, data analysis, or other innovative applications, AI has the potential to transform your financial situation. By incorporating AI strategies into your routine, you can maximize your earnings and achieve your financial goals faster than ever before. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more ways to boost your income using the latest technology. Now let's see where you're watching from. Hey, before we move on to see where everyone's watching from, we want to hear from you. Have you tried using AI tools to make money? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your stories with us. Also, if you're looking to boost your success on YouTube or increase your income through this platform, type yes in the comments. Your input helps us create more valuable content tailored to your needs. Let's engage and grow together. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on making money fast using AI. Now, let's see where you're all tuning in from. I bet you didn't know how global our community is. Before we dive into the strategies, I want to take a moment to connect with you all. Our community here is global, and it's always amazing to see where everyone is tuning in from. So take a second and type in the comments below the name of the country where you're watching this video from. It's incredible to see how far and wide our audience reaches, and it helps us tailor future content to better suit your needs. Now let's get back to finding those quick and effective ways to earn that extra $500. Everybody is looking for ways to earn extra cash quickly. Before we delve into the next part, I want to hear from you. Our community is a treasure trove of knowledge and experience, and your tips could inspire and help others. Have you found a creative way to earn money online? Maybe you discovered a unique side hustle or a clever trick that brought in some extra cash. Share your success stories and tips in the comments below. Your experiences can be a beacon of hope for someone else navigating the same financial challenges. Now let's continue our journey to finding quick and effective ways to earn that extra $500. You need to watch this if you struggle with unexpected expenses. The urgency of now, when money can't wait. It's a feeling many of us know all too well. That moment when your car breaks down, your rent goes up, or you get hit with a medical bill you weren't prepared for. These unexpected expenses can throw your entire budget into chaos. Traditional jobs are great for steady income, but aren't always the fastest way to earn extra cash on short notice. Sometimes, waiting for the next paycheck just isn't an option. The methods we'll discuss today are about taking control of your finances and finding creative ways to leverage your skills, time, and resources to bring in extra money when it matters most. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering a service in your community, there are numerous ways to make ends meet. Remember, these side hustles aren't about getting rich quick, but they are about taking action and finding solutions that work for your unique situation. It's about being proactive and resourceful, ensuring that when money can't wait, you have options to turn to. What's something people don't know about earning extra cash quickly? Here are 5 simple side hustles to earn $500 fast. Whether you're looking to pay off a bill, save for a special purchase, or just want some extra spending money, these side hustles can help you reach your goal quickly. Let's get down to business and explore these money-making methods. Each of these options offers flexibility, allowing you to work around your schedule and commitments. First up, we have the gig economy powerhouse food delivery. This is a fantastic option for those who enjoy being on the move and meeting new people. Platforms like Uber Eats and Grubhub are always in high demand. You can sign up, get approved, and start delivering within days. You can set your own hours, be your own boss, and start earning immediately. Plus, the tips can be quite generous, especially during peak hours. Next, we have the online reselling game. This is perfect for those who have an eye for fashion or tech. Got a closet full of clothes you never wear? Electronics gathering dust? These items can be turned into cash with a little effort. Turn your clutter into cash by selling them on platforms like Poshmark, Depop, or Facebook Marketplace. Take clear photos, write detailed descriptions, and price your items competitively to attract buyers. If you have a knack for words, freelance writing is a lucrative option. This side hustle is ideal for those who enjoy writing and have a good command of language. Websites like Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for everything from blog posts to website copy. You can build a portfolio, set your rates, and choose projects that interest you. Don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned tasks. These can be a great way to earn money while helping others. TaskRabbit connects you with people in your area who need help with errands, cleaning, furniture assembly, and more. It's a great way to make money while staying active and engaged in your community. Finally, let's talk about online surveys. While they won't make you rich, they're an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer rewards for sharing your opinions. You can earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards, making it a simple and convenient way to supplement your income. So there you have it, 5 simple side hustles to help you earn $500 fast. Whether you choose one or try them all, these opportunities can provide the financial boost you need. Happy hustling! Pause. 3. S. You need to hear this if you're looking to make money online. Now that we've explored 5 simple side hustles to earn $500 fast, it's time to hear from you. Our community is filled with creative and resourceful individuals, and we want to tap into that collective wisdom. Have you found unique ways to make money online? What side hustles have worked for you? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire and help others who are looking to boost their income. Whether it's a specific platform you swear by, a niche market you've tapped into, or a strategy that has proven successful, don't hesitate to share. By contributing your tips, you're not only helping others, but also fostering a supportive and collaborative community. Pause 3S. Let's create a space where we can all learn and grow together. So, drop your best money-making tips in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Now let's check in with our global community and see where everyone is watching from. Pause 3S. Why are there not more people talking about the power of our global community? Before we dive into my top pick for earning $500 fast, let's take a moment to connect with our global community. We have viewers from all around the world, and it's always fascinating to see where everyone is tuning in from. So, right now, take a moment to drop a comment below and let us know the name of the country you're watching from. Whether you're in the bustling streets of New York City, the serene landscapes of New Zealand, or anywhere in between, we want to hear from you. Sharing your location not only helps us understand our audience better, but also fosters a sense of community among all of us, striving to achieve our financial goals. Pause 3S. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, now that we've connected with our global family, let's move on to mastering YouTube for extra cash. Stay tuned. Pause 3S. You need to watch this if you struggle with making extra cash online. Now, before we move on to my top pick, I want to share a fantastic resource that can help you not only make an extra $500, but potentially turn it into a full-time income. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel or are looking to improve your existing one, there's a book that you absolutely need to check out, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This book is a game changer for anyone serious about mastering YouTube. Matt Parr, a successful YouTuber himself, breaks down the exact strategies he used to build multiple channels and earn a substantial income. What's great about his approach is that it's perfect for beginners and experienced creators alike. By investing in Tube Mastery and Monetization, you'll learn how to choose a profitable niche, create engaging content, grow your channel quickly, monetize your videos effectively, and the best part, you don't even need to show your face on camera. If you're interested, you can use my affiliate link to get started. Trust me, this investment can pay off big time, helping you achieve financial freedom through YouTube. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, click the link and start your journey today. Now, let's dive into my top pick for earning $500 fast. Pause 3S. Stop doing what doesn't work. Do this instead. While all the methods we've discussed can help you reach that $500 goal, there's one that stands out in terms of earning potential and flexibility: online reselling. This method not only allows you to work from the comfort of your home, but also gives you the freedom to set your own hours and scale your efforts as you see fit. Remember that time I sold my old camera gear and made a couple of $1,000s in a week? It was a game changer for me, and it can be for you too. The beauty of online reselling is that you can start with items you already own and no longer need. That's the power of tapping into a market of eager buyers. People are always looking for good deals, and if you can provide them, you'll find success. The key is to identify items in high demand and price them competitively. Do your research to understand what sells well and at what price point. This will help you maximize your profits and move your inventory quickly. Take high-quality photos, write compelling descriptions, and leverage social media to promote your listings. Good visuals and clear, honest descriptions can make a huge difference in attracting buyers. Start with decluttering your own belongings. You'll be surprised at how many items you have that are just collecting dust, but could be valuable to someone else. And gradually expand to sourcing inventory from thrift stores, garage sales, or even online marketplaces. The more you explore, the more opportunities you'll find to turn a profit. Happy reselling. I bet you didn't know how easy it is to start earning $500 fast. Now that you're armed with these money-making strategies, it's time to take action. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts pay off. Everybody is looking for quick ways to make extra cash. I hope this video gave you some practical ideas to boost your income quickly. Take that first step, put in the effort, and I'm confident you'll be surprised by what you can achieve. Ready to make $500? Let's do this! And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful YouTuber? Because he was outstanding in his field. Laughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.